Haha, good evening, guys. Sorry, I was just about to post another video for the estimated revised cutoff, and exactly it came the estimated revised cutoff, like what I estimated it. So, like what we estimated it, the Dentodontics. So, here, good evening, guys. I am one of the representative of the Dentodontics, and I'm here again to explain that the revised cutoff officially announced by today by NBE, and all the things has been shared by NBE, like what are the marks, what are the things. I'm here came up with a podcast, a small YouTube podcast, what will happen after this, like what plans will NBE and all the states will do. So I'm here to explain you. First, I will tell you the revised cutoff marks. You all know because you would have got it till now. So we will again repeat it. Like for the general category, the revised cutoff marks has been come up like 26.97 percentile. So the number that has come up for the revised cutoff marks is 185 for general category. For the OBC SC ST, for the OBC SC ST, the revised cutoff marks is 152, and for UR PWD, the revised cutoff marks has come up with 170 after revising. So the revising cutoff marks are like this: 185 for general, 185 for general, 152 for OBC SC ST, 170 for UR PWD. Okay, now these are the revised cutoff marks that has been officially announced. Congratulations to all for this victory, and finally you all can relax out of anxiety. It was a long battle and it was a wavy battle that we fought. Now what next after the revised cutoff comes? So what next? So the next step is, first all India will release first all India will release a separate scorecard for you, eligible scorecard for you on the website. Like they will release it for as a scorecard that you are eligible now. And another thing, like now as all the counseling is been over by 10th, you all know the stray counseling has been over now, officially not has been announced, but still. So now what MCC will do, first they will release a scorecard for you, like for the revised cutoff marks. Now after that, then after releasing it, MCC will, what they will do, like they will extend, either they can extend the date of stray counseling by a notice, either they can extend the stray counseling date, or they will put a separate small mop-up round, form of a mop-up round or a stray again counseling round, and they will open the registration window for all India. As I said already, it was a money ball game. Everything happened, and the deemed universities and all the private colleges forced ministry to release this revised cutoff, so in form of victory. So what they will do, a separate, either they will extend this stray counseling and start again the registration, fresh choice filling, or they will do a small schedule of mop-up or stray round with the fresh registration for all the eligible candidates. Things like this, first they will do it so that you can register and can take your you can take your eligibility, like all the colleges what you are dreaming for after this. So a small mop-up or a stray counseling can be conducted by all India, okay, for the deemed universities, and they will conduct it, or they can extend this stray counseling, but a fresh registration will open for all, so that you all can register. Now second thing, what comes up for the states. So state counselings are like, they always follow all India marks cutoff. So as the revised cutoff has now come, so now all the state counselings will follow this revising cutoff, will follow this cutoff, and all those mop-up of the states that has gone over, and the seats are remaining, they will also open a fresh registration for their state also, for their private colleges, for the management quotas and everything. Whatever the seats are remaining right now, like in Tamil Nadu, like in Telangana and Punjab and rest of the states you follow, like UP and all. So they will again start small mop-up like counseling. They will open it, and again the fresh registration will start as you all become eligible for the states as well as you become eligible for the All India. So both state and All India will open a separate counseling for you all. Okay, so this will be the next step for the registration, and again the same things what happened has just happened for the previous eligible candidates. Now for the fresh eligible candidates it will happen. Okay, every state. I will talk about the Karnataka and Haryana also, what they will do. Now the thing is that now you all have become eligible, so every state which have a vacant seat, now you will be applying for it. You are eligible for applying for it. Again the registration will start for the state also, for the All India also, that I have already explained. Now coming up on Karnataka and Haryana. Karnataka and Haryana, as Karnataka is now doing the document verification right now, and today that day of the last date of document verification, they will extend that date of document verification as now more number of eligible student comes by the revising of cutoff. So more days will be extended by it. So you can also apply for the Karnataka as well now, state counselings. Second thing, the big picture is for the Haryana, like no schedule came up, nothing came up, so you all are eligible for it. Like they will announce the counseling dates and the schemes and all, and everything you will do like for the previous candidates will do. So you all can do like this for the Haryana. So it will be a fresh counseling for you, for everyone, once the schedule comes. For Karnataka, they will extend, they will put a small notice in upcoming days for extension of the verification dates of the offline document verification, or they can do online also as per their need. So the date will be extended, don't worry, the notice will come for the fresh So once the revising is being done, once the revising of cutoff is being done, it will follow by All India also. Same revising cutoff will be followed by the states also. They can't produce their own revising cutoffs. Different state has got different categories, like Telangana has OC and many other, Tamil Nadu has got many other reservations, so they will do according to that, but they will follow the same pattern that has been followed by the All India for revising. But don't worry, the revising will be done in all states also. Another counseling will be conducted for the eligible candidates for all states and for All India also by the deemed universities. So congratulations again to all for achieving this mark and for achieving everything. So this is just smaller podcast and broadcast like of YouTube, what upcoming things will happen in the All India and for the rest of the state counselings. We will come with more mop-up, more MDS counselings, short podcast YouTube videos, so that you can get help. Subscribe this channel and share this video with all the revised cutoff students, so that who are waiting for it and who don't know what will happen will know what's going to happen next with this video. Okay, and thank you for all the support. We have got one Telegram channel. We have made a Telegram group which consists of 10,000K dentists. We have given us just a message I want to deliver from our Dentodontic side. Like, we have made a small family, a dental family, fraternity family of 10K. We have right now 10K dentists under it, registered dentists under it, for the NEET MDS counseling. And we have made different state counseling groups also, like 24 state counseling groups, and one all top 300 counseling group was also being made by us. So we have made it for the students' help only. We have created a Dentodontics Telegram group. It's not for the NEET MDS counseling only. For now the NEET MDS counseling is going, so we are helping all the aspirants. It is made for any injustice that is happening in dentistry. we will come together, we will fight for it. So we have fought for many injustice right now for the NEET MDS counseling. Like you have seen, it was a wavy and a very haphazard schedules were being uploaded by MCC and all. So like we have come up with this, so that some people stand for against injustice. Like see, DCI looks like a paralyzed community right now, a body which is not being performing things. They are forced to do the things. These counselings were your rights. You should understand it. What we are getting right now were almost our rights. It was born rights. They are not giving us they are not giving us in form of you can understand. They are not giving us as a gift. It's a born right for us. These were the things that we don't have to fight. We should have get it. We shouldn't have gone to courts and all. They should have done it. So we are trying to build a community. It's a non-profitable community. No profit is there. So that we should stand for against every injustice that is happening. We have fought for the Haryana PSC also. Right now the Haryana PSC results are also out. We started a campaign few days back, and now the Haryana PSC results are out. We have started a campaign for GPSC also, Gujarat PSC MO exam also, for the recruitment to be done fastly. And we are arranging one respectable stipend campaign also for all the JR students, for all the PG students of private colleges, and respectable stipend for the JR and for the interns. We have created a campaign also for them, for one so that the private colleges that takes, the deemed colleges that takes such number of money in form of tuition fee, hidden fees, like dental development fees, like the dental material fees. They don't provide the stipend, and if they provide stipend, they provide 3-4K for the dental PG JR. For the interns, they say like 500 and 1K. How stupid is this? Why this mockery of dentistry has been happening? It's because no one is standing for their rights. Why the dental is being neglected, and people are committing suicides, and why we are like I want to explain like why we are standing as beggars. The things that we should gain is our right, but we have to fight for it. Like you can see the modern medicine people, like if anything happens, they come unite, they come with a flurry. But in dentistry, nothing is like unity is there. Even the same dentist, when a fresh dentist comes to your clinic as a work, you harass that fresh dentist. That is happening. So I'm just not a person, like we are not the person to dictate anything, but we are the person, like we can make things happen together. You should all understand what's happening to you, right? Present dentist, it will happen to the upcoming batches. So if you don't fight together, nothing will happen for this dentistry. We are working for upliftment of the dentistry, so that every person who takes this dentistry feels proud, like I am a healthy practicing dentist. And that's the way. And because of that, we have created this Telegram channel, Telegram group, and we are providing and we are trying to fight and bring all the dentists in same group, in same roof, in a simple same roof, so that every injustice can be fought. Even some injustice is being seen for the HPSC results. We will be again starting a Twitter campaign for it. With this podcast, when it ends, I will provide my Twitter, our Dentodontics, official Dentodontics Twitter handle link. Please follow that Twitter handle and follow us, our campaign. Just fight against any injustice is happening to you, whether it's for job, whether it is for dentistry, whether it is for anything. Message on our Twitter handles, our main Twitter handles, will fight for you. Surely will fight for you. Okay? So that's all for today, and it was a small message that we are doing for the past 5 months, and there is nothing like I'm here to make subscribers or viewers, but I will say subscribe this channel right now, so that further any update of dentistry comes, we will provide you through this channel every updates in short form of podcast, YouTube podcast video. Okay, thank you all, and thank you, and congratulations again for the revised cutoff aspirants that become eligible. Thank you.